Hello, just wanted to make this quick video of how you could make your Earls Vaper Guard fuel line look half decent. As you know, Earls makes this Vaper Guard fuel injection hose. You know, they have two sizes, 3/8 and I think 5/16. But the big thing with the Vaper Guard is it doesn't let fumes go through. And, you know, I've had that before where the normal braided line stuff over here, it deteriorates after time and lets the vapor through and your garage smells like a gas station. And then it gets inside and your wife hates you. So, but anyway, I just wanted to show you how you can make this thing look half decent. With this rubber hose, you know, it's real easy. All you do, it's almost like a push line, you know, over here on the corner. One of the fittings, I'll just show you one of the fittings here. You know, all it is just a barb end on it. But it's AN fitting, so everything can connect. And your connection here, you could use two ways. You could use a hose clamp that they provide. And it's a lot better than a normal hose clamp. Or you could use this type of crimp connector. Obviously the crimp connector is going to look a lot better than the hose because you know it looks like a hose connection. So anyway, I went ahead and put this one together here. As you can see, I used the crimp. A friend of mine gave me like 5 of these and I was like, well, I'll try it real quick. And you know, it doesn't look too bad, but it is a hose, okay? And of course, with the crimp, you got to use this type of tool. You can get it from Menard, just like 40 bucks, not cheap. But what you can do with these, if it's, you know, right in view inside your engine bay, is you can make it look like this. This is essentially what I did was I got some braided line. This stuff over here, just got it from Amazon. And it's supposed to be high temp stuff. You know, you kind of see it on wiring type looms. All it is just braided. And the type I got, you know, it's not full and circle. It's kind of a layover type. But it works fine. I mean, geez, I got 25 foot for like, I don't know, $12. If you put that on here and then do some shrink wrap on the ends, it actually doesn't look too bad. You know, I mean, it looks a lot better than, you know, just having this hose here with these, you know, clamps on the ends and then AN fittings. You know, if you go ahead for the extra mile here and just put that stuff on there, I mean, you know, it's minimal cost and it looks a lot better. And of course, you know, with the shrink wrap, you know, you can just cut that off and do whatever you want with it if you need to change it or whatever. But yeah, I just wanted to show everyone you can make it look good. I mean, you know, here's what I'm going through right now, you know, with the 2 connections on the rails here. That'll come in front of the motor and over here to the regulator that I have. I'm gonna try and make it look a half decent. You know, I still got a long ways to go with my 351 T trim motor here in terms of making it look good, but you know, this really wasn't that expensive and you can just go, you know, the extra yard with it. So just wanted to show everyone you can make it look good. See ya.